Hello YouTube, hope everyone's well. You join me just now in a rather damp and miserable Oban. And the reason I'm in Oban is because we're catching a ferry across the Mull, Isle of Mull, and we're going to be there for a couple of days, having a tour round and camping as well for a couple of nights. Ferry straight on. Welcome to Oban Ferry Terminal. Morning. Going to Mull. Do you need the ticket? 12 o'clock I think it is, 12:05.
You carry on to the traffic lights, then turn left and the boys will catch you, okay?
Okay, brilliant, cheers. Right, so I've got my online ticket, so I don't need to do anything else apparently. So I think I perhaps need to join that queue. Can't believe it rained. It's supposed to be dry today. I'm only wearing my jeans and I'm a bit damp. Hope it dries up the rest of the day. But what you can expect, it's only June. It's not like it's supposed to be summer.
I joined the queue, hoping it would stay dry. I was told motorbikes didn't have to wait in the queue, and I was asked to move to the top of the ramp. It gave me an ideal place to watch the ferry coming in.
Right, then we go to boarding first. Okay, across the way? All right, okay. Ideal.
I headed upstairs to find something to eat. The boat I'm on today is the MV Isle of Mull. She entered service on the 11th of April 1988 in place of the older and slower MV Caledonia and was then refurbished in 2005. There's an observation lounge for when it's too blistered outside, as well as plenty of options for tea, coffee and food. She has lots of open deck space, so you can make the most of the views.
Right, we're on the boat. That was easy enough, boarding was easy. So come down to the lounge, because I'm quite hungry. So, quite a big cafeteria in here, so I'm having my mac and cheese for my lunch, which looks really good actually. Mac and cheese. And then we'll go up on the deck and we'll get some footage roundabout, but so far so good. Apart from the rain. Well, that was actually quite a nice lunch. Did enjoy that. Mac and cheese, it was quite tasty. Right, so that's us on the way, we're on the water. Crossing has just started, we're about 10 minutes out of Oban. So let's have a wee look about the ship. It's a wee bit dull and overcast today, so we don't have a great view, but still. Hopefully we'll not have to use these orange things. So that's us, disembarked for the ferry. We are now on the Isle of Mull. Just going to pull up here for a wee quick second. Make sure I'm going to the right place. Fidden. It's 1:20, so should be the campsite. We're going to just do it after 2, which is fine for today, and then we'll have a tour around the island tomorrow. So we're coming onto a single track road with passing places. We're just going to take it easy and enjoy the ride. The thing with videos, you can never get the smells, obviously. The lovely pine forest smell that you get, especially just after it's been raining. It's a lovely fresh scent. That's what I'm getting right now. Stopped off because the scenery here is absolutely amazing. I know it's still a cloudy day, but that kind of adds to it in a way. All the drops are covered with mist and cloud. There's also a really cool wee bridge over there, just over there, you might see it. Get a nice photograph of that. So hopefully that stopped, let all the traffic clear. We might have more of a uninterrupted run for the next 18 miles. Sheep in the garden. This is Fidden Farm. So check in arrival, so we'll go do that. Pay our money and see what's what. Hey, that's we checked in. 2 nights, £24. Which I thought was very reasonable.
There's no need to book at Fidden Farm, just turn up, pay the money, give your name and registration number or your vehicle, and then you're free to choose wherever you want to pitch. It's an open plan site, so there is no set pitches. I was encouraged to have a drive about before deciding where I wanted to pitch my tent, and that's exactly what I did. Reception's open from 8 AM till 10 PM. Facilities include toilet, showers and dishwashing facilities. It's also a dog friendly site, but they do ask that you keep your dogs on a lead due to there being farm animals nearby.
Here we go. This'll do me. Let's get the tent set up. Right, that's me here, and tent's all set up. This place is amazing. And the view from my tent is this. Not bad, eh? We'll go for a wee walkabout in a wee while, but I need to find some water. I need to go to the loo. But we're all set up. And the bike's tucked in at the back. It rained on the way up, so my gear got a bit wet. I only wore my jeans. So it's hanging over the bike drying just now. There's some of the locals. Right, found the drinking water. There's 2 taps on site. And conveniently, they've got signs that say drinking water. So there we go. And we're back at the tent. Time for a cuppa.
After relaxing for a short time, it was time to go exploring the beach.
That's us for day 1. Just sitting in the tent, chilling out with a can of juice. The sun's beginning to set. It's a bit cloudy and a wee bit chilly now because of the wind. But tomorrow we've got the tour around the island, so that's going to be pretty much most of the day. So I think I'm going to do a separate video for that. So I hope you enjoyed this one today. This is just getting up to the Isle of Mull from my home address up over on the ferry and that really cool single track road to the campsite. And please give us a wee like and a subscribe, because it really does help the channel. We're nearly 1,000 subscribers now, so every wee like will really help. So thanks very much for watching this one today, and we'll see you for the next one.